my one wheel delivered today. And every time I hear, you know, big truck or something drive, I get all excited. But of course, everybody's getting up from school now, so I just keep hearing what I think is a FedEx truck and it's not. Where are you, my stuff machine? Here it is, the Onewheel GT finally arrived. I've been literally waiting for this thing all day. I was super stoked to get it, and I'm still stoked to have it, but I'm not as stoked at this point. And there's actually several reasons why I'm not excited to receive the GT. One, my dog got hit. But yeah, I'm not as stoked to get this as I wish I would have been. So it arrived late. It was like almost like 6 p.m. when it finally showed up in my doorstep. The FedEx person dropped it off on my porch, and as my wife went to pull it into the house, our dog just like sprinted out the door. And we live in a busy street, so with a big box truck, you know, on my driveway, they didn't see her. She came out running, sprinting, and boom, got hit by a car. So my wife obviously picked up the dog and took the dog out to the ER. And so I'm not gonna be able to really ride this thing. Maybe I'll be able to squeeze a ride on later today, as long as I find out that my dog's okay. If not, who knows when I'll be riding this, maybe in the weekend or something. But anyways, that being said, I guess this will be the most boring and sad one wheel opening unboxing video you will see. You know, I do have my dog in mind. So let's see, this will be quick. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this because I'm sure there's plenty of videos out there on unboxing the one wheel, and who cares about that, right? So yeah, I'm excited to receive this. Big thing to keep in mind is, so this is the brown box the one wheel comes in, and inside of this is a secondary box.
Oh my goodness, this is heavy.
Here it is. Do not throw this box away. I made that mistake when I bought my XR and I threw this box away, and then I had an issue where I had to send the board back to Future Motion, and I could not find a box with these exact specifications to fit this guy in. If you want to ship your one wheel back for whatever reason, they ask you and they require you to put it inside a brown box like this one. Make sure you save this box. They're extremely hard to find. I did see a label. Here you go. Here's a label of the dimensions. I don't know if you can see it. If you can't see it, I'll take a picture, but this is the dimensions of the brown box that you need. So the other reason why I'm not as stoked as I wish I was is because I've seen a lot of people post on Facebook and on YouTube videos of them getting a dead on arrival one wheel, as well as a one wheel that will ghost. If you don't know what ghosting is, it's basically you get off the board and the one wheel just takes off on its own. So I've heard of people having issues with their bearings on their new one wheel GTs and all that stuff. Fingers crossed, hopefully I won't have any issues with mine and I can just love it and enjoy it. But here we go, here it is. Onewheel GT. I'm gonna see it for the first time. I've seen a lot of videos from Onewheel and the Float Life and everybody else who's received their one wheel already. Here's something different with the packaging. I don't remember the Onewheel XR having this additional corrugated cardboard here, so here we go. I think the stoke is coming back a little bit. I'm still thinking of my dog. I hope she's okay. I'm gonna have to call my wife as soon as I'm done with this. I'm gonna basically just turn it on, make sure it works, and then I'm just gonna put it to charge, and then I'm gonna call my wife to see how my puppy is doing. So this is all there is, charger and one wheel. So it's just another piece of board. I am gonna put these back into the box because, again, if I'm having any issues with this thing, get this out of the way. We are left. Listen to this. We should do a slap comparison, you know, where I slap this and then I slap the Onewheel XR Vega tire. Alright, so blah blah blah. Grip tape, oh yeah, concave. Oh, I see what they were saying. Oh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Onewheel GT. Now this feels different. Alright, so let's see if this thing turns on. Some people apparently they push this on button several times and this thing does not turn on. So let's see. Yes. Alright, so the LED basically tells you how much charge you have. My sensor seems to work. LEDs in the front, LEDs on the back. Oh, I want to ride it so bad. I'm going to take it out for a second. Let's grab it by the mag handle.
Oh my, you opened it anyway?
What, wouldn't I?
Oh my god, so you went outside with catching the blood. Now I'll try.
Get out of here because there's blood.
Okay, I'll try. Can I try?
No, this is my toy.
Happy, it said they can mix
You
up
go
a
away.
pint in an XL. It said to mix up a pint in a G.
Ooh.
How's it feel?
Feels higher. Like it's taller.
Can I have it?
No, you can't have it.
Come on! What the fuck? Try it!
Oh, this is cool. But I can't really get on the zone knowing that my dog is out there suffering. So I see what the float light was saying about this thing feeling taller and the tire almost feels like if it didn't even have any air, like if it was just a solid rubber tire. Wonder what the PSI is. I don't know. I'll have to check all that later. But anyways,